Hello from Glory's house. I'm coming on for a few minutes to show you all some new appliques we got in. We do carry these in smaller sizes, but we now have some larger sizes and I wanted to show them to you. So I'm going to show you the silver ones. These are iron-on or sew-on. You possibly could glue them on. They do have a plastic-like backing that I'm not sure how well the glue would hold with that backing, but they're very simple to iron on. So we have all these new styles, and all these come in gold also. Right now I just have a few on hand. I'm just testing to see how the larger ones sell. We do sell a lot of the smaller styles. Now these will go good on the back of a jacket or the front or back of a dress. That's what they're mostly used for. They can be used with home decor, bedding, different things like that, but the most popular thing they're used for is clothing. I'm going to show you the back. As you can see, it's a little bit shiny. It's just an iron-on backing. You turn the applique over, put your fabric on it, and just iron it, and it just takes a few seconds. This is one of our more wider, thicker, embroidered styles. It's a little bit heavier. But these are really pretty. They're metallic, silver, and gold. It's one of our popular items. They're very pretty. So, this is all I was going to show you right now. But I thought I'd let you get a better look at them on camera. You can see they shine real pretty in the light. You can see the overhead light in my video. So, if you all would be interested in purchasing any appliques like this or any other appliques, we sell all kinds. We have probably 7,000 different appliques. We have beaded, we have lace, we have 3D lace, we have rhinestone, lots of rhinestone, and lots of sequin appliques. And we also sell sewing trims. So if you want to look at our website, it's gloryshouse.com. That's www.gloryshouse.com. GLORYSHOUSE. I will put the link in the description so you all can go over and check out these beautiful appliques. And I'm going to give you a coupon for this video, and it's going to be for 10% off your order, and I'm going to put that in the description so that I can change it if I need to. And I'm not sure how long it'll be valid, but when it's not valid, I'll remove it from the video description. And if anyone that buys from us sees this video, I just want to say thank you for your business. We appreciate you. Couldn't do it without you. And it just means a lot to me. I have some really good, faithful, repeat customers. But you all head on over to Glory's house. This is one of my favorite ones right here. Head on over to Glory's house and check out all of our appliques. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.